What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about some crazy information regarding Amazon, crypto, and the future of SHIB. And honestly, this has been all planned. I've called all of this stuff, and I hate to sound cocky or like I know everything, but I did call this Amazon information I'm about to tell you guys. And I did call this SHIB run up too. So we have a lot to talk about today. So if you do enjoy it, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel. Check out my Instagram right here because I post plays daily, and I'm giving away an NFT. The people that check out my giveaway down below. It's really simple to enter. You just follow the Instagrams there. And we're giving away NFT worth $500. And lastly, check out my Discord. I have some big information. I haven't decided fully yet, but it's most likely going to happen. I'm cutting off the Discord chat at the end of the month, which is in like 5 days. So if you want to get in and you want to take crypto serious into the next level, I cannot stress it enough. My group is the best group out there. You can see on screen now, we've been making people a ton of money, and we've been calling out crazy plays lately. Like, they've been going absolutely insane. Like, these past probably like week has been probably the best it's been in crypto since the beginning. And I really think that we're about to hit this next leg up like I've been calling for the longest time. And you know just as well as I know, there's a ton of coins every single day. Hundreds of coins every single day, and you always got to think to yourself, is this one good enough to get in? I have no idea. That's my job. I do it all for you, and I'm cutting off at the end of the month. So if you want to join, top link in the description. Let's get into this. So Amazon and Jeff Bezos, as you guys know, I called it literally a week, probably 2 weeks ago on my video where I said Amazon and Jeff Bezos would either be creating their own coin or they're going to come out and accept crypto finally, just like Tesla did. They were like the pioneer for everything. And lo and behold, you can see all these informational like articles online right now. And I think this is what's really been rallying up Bitcoin and all this stuff recently, is because Amazon is about to come out and say that they finally accept crypto and or are making their own crypto coin, like Amazon coin, you know what I mean? So I think it'd make more sense if they did their Amazon coin. Personally, I think that'd be sick. I think that would go crazy. But it's inevitable. They're going to end up accepting crypto. The rally is here. And Tesla, if you guys don't remember, they did the B-Word conference with Jack Dorsey, Kathy Woods, and Elon Musk. And they recently just came out saying how good Bitcoin is, how bullish they are. And you can't get better than that. Like, literally, there was nothing bad said about Bitcoin. So I know that we're in the right. We'll just have to find out. If you guys didn't see my last video, too, I got a dog, and I bought him with dog coins. Her name's Tessie. Yeah, I really think that we're about to hit the next leg up. I called all this stuff in my last video, literally like a week ago, and I recorded it. So just pay attention, guys. Load up your stuff. If this does come to fruition and we do see an official article or an official statement from Amazon, just best believe this is going to hit heights that we've never seen before. I think we'll blow past 60. I mean, that's the biggest company in the world. It's inevitable. So there's been a ton of leaked information about this. You could do your own research and see what's been happening. But I think if this happens, Microsoft will definitely follow, and pretty much every big company will end up accepting crypto in some way, shape, or form. So all very interesting stuff. I love you all so much. Thank you for tuning in. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel. And like I said, my Discord is closing at the end of the month. So if you want to get in, you got to get in now. It's really cheap. It's discounted. I'm going to discount it for the rest of the month, which is only 5 days. So if you're thinking about getting in, get in now. And yeah, without further ado, guys, I'm going to go. So I got to go take care of her now. I got a kid. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.